And the journey begins. Here is our clay pot, and we're going to start soaking. Step 2. Lay out all your veggies. In this particular recipe, very simple. Shallots, a little bit of garlic, 1 coin of ginger, eggplant, 4 little potatoes, parsley for topping, and if you like some, a little bit of heat. And voila! The veggies are cut. In the meantime, the clay pot has already been soaked. Start with some water, a little bit, and the veggies that are going to take a little bit longer to cook. In this case, potatoes, eggplants, and a tiny bit of Himalayan salt. And just make sure that the water isn't covering the veggies, but just is enough so they're slightly mid-submerged in it. And turn on your gas to about medium. No more than medium. It's a clay pot. Safety tip number 1. Clay pot gets really hot, so you want to make sure you have a mitt while you're picking up the lid. And it's temperature sensitive, so it's a wonderful idea to have trivet. This one is made out of cork. So step 4, we've given it a nice little stir, and we're going to add some of the other stuff that's going to take not that long to cook, like our shallots. We want them to be a little crispy, like our garlic, we just sliced it up, and our ginger julienne. Oh, and don't forget, if you like that little heat, there goes the heat. So this one, we're keeping it simple. A little bit of pepper, some Himalayan salt, and that's it. We just want to see what the natural flavors will come out to be. You can add some more flavors and spices to bring it out, but make sure they're whole spices. Try to use whole spices. Take a mitt, cover the lid, let it steep for about 15 minutes. Remember, you can go mid to low on your gas and you're good. Step 5. It's great time to put in things like parsley, even tomatoes. And if you wanted a little bit of oily structure in it, you could put shredded olives, shredded coconut, and you're good to go. Now I would turn off the gas and cover the pot again for, let's say, about 5 minutes, and you're done. Your final step, give it a nice little stir. Look how beautiful the eggplant is. All the flavors in there. Your nice heat is full there. Lovely. Ah.
Stay healthy.